The dashcam driver is driving normally. A taxi suddenly dives in from the right and starts trying to bully the dashcam driver off the road. That's pure road rage. However, he got instant karma. This cash transport truck suddenly realizes it's in the wrong lane and makes a reckless last-second move. And when the sedan doesn't give way, the truck driver completely becomes road rager and starts brake checking him. The dashcam driver is easing through this rural T intersection and even gives a warning honk. But then this white SUV comes charging in way too fast and causes a crash that should have never happened. This little three-wheeler rolls into the intersection like the rules just don't apply to it. The dashcam driver manages to avoid it, but the car on the right isn't nearly as lucky. Watch this speeding Xiaomi SU7 come way too close to hitting a pedestrian in the crosswalk. And somehow, after all that, the driver seems completely unbothered, which honestly makes this clip even worse. The dashcam driver is going straight with the right-of-way, and this orange car still turns directly across their path. Turning traffic has to yield. And this one couldn't be much more obvious. This is the most stupid driver I've ever seen. The car ahead brakes, and the dashcam driver even jumps into the oncoming lane to pass. In a similar case, the dashcam driver, annoyed by the slow speed of the truck in front, attempted to overtake by driving in the wrong lane, nearly losing his life. Out of nowhere, this car shoots in from the shoulder and tries to cut across traffic like nothing's there. Police pull over the driver, and somehow they still decide making a run for it is a good idea. This is what racing death looks like. What does 150 miles per hour mean? A passenger jet takes off at around 162 to 186 miles per hour. At this speed, this car is basically ready to fly. Then it comes out of the tunnel, hits a rough patch, loses control, and slams into a parked SUV. The unbelievable part is that all three people inside survived with injuries. One of them was out of the hospital 2 days later. That's a miracle. The seatbelts helped, but that white SUV absorbed most of the impact. Without that SUV, the car likely would have gone sideways straight into that light pole. And that would have been deadly. Basic physics. The smaller the impact area, the greater the force. That's why hitting a tree, a light pole, or a utility pole is far more dangerous than hitting a wall. And the side of a car is the weakest part. No engine bay, no trunk to absorb the hit. So if you're speeding and the side takes the impact, the car can fold or even come apart, and the people inside usually don't stand much chance. 100 miles per hour on the highway is already extreme speeding. Once you're past 75 miles per hour, you're already beyond the safe zone.
前方600米有特速开闸，限速120，您已超速。当前车速161公里。当前车速136公里。
The navigation warned about a speed camera ahead. The driver still didn't really slow down. Now look at the passenger. Feet on the dashboard. A loose ornament sitting there too. Those little details say a lot. Neither the driver nor the passenger had any real safety awareness. If they did, they wouldn't be doing 100 miles per hour. And the passenger would have said something. Then the truck ahead starts changing lanes. And this driver still tries to pass on the right. By the time he sees people on the shoulder, he's still doing 67 miles per hour. At that point, it's already too late to brake. The truck changed lanes for a reason. The driver saw people on the shoulder. His vehicle was wide. He was trying not to clip them. A good driver should see a truck move over and immediately know something is wrong ahead. Slow down. Stay alert. Do not try to pass through a blind area on the shoulder side. And those warning triangles were way too close. They should have been set much farther back. These were nowhere near far enough. And after a crash or breakdown, people need to get behind the guardrail immediately. That's how you prevent a second collision. So yes, speed is everything. You have to respect it. Next, let's watch some dashcam accidents happened recently that were posted by our subscribers.
咱们没错啊。
我知道。四方红两座大街。哦！哎呦，超推超推超推超推！
哦！哎呀！小心后面。
注意，前方有违章。